Good morning, children. In today's class, we will discuss about longitude. In the previous classes, we discussed about mostly the latitudes. In two classes, we discussed about the latitudes or parallels. Latitudes or parallels. But in today's class, we will discuss about longitude. Longitude, and the second name of longitude is meridian. Meridians. Remember this name, longitude or meridians. Latitudes or parallels. Both are same. Both are same. If I mention that we will discuss about meridians, then also we are discussing about longitudes, because longitudes and meridians are same. So lines of longitude or lines of meridians, as you seen that on the earth, on earth we discussed about the latitudes. In that, most famous latitudes are 0 degree, that is equator. 0 degree means 0 degree line is the equator, which divides earth into two hemispheres, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. But here, in which we discussed about how many latitudes are there towards the north side and towards the south side. Here the pole, we discussed about many things about latitudes, but here today we will discuss about the latitudes. Longitudes are lines like those. On the earth. These lines are very important. These lines are very, very important. Now see, this one, this one 0 degree, and on the other side of that will be 180 degree. So when we discuss about that latitudes, how many latitudes are there? Latitudes, how many? 181. But here about longitudes they are 360. 0 to 180 both are same. On the other side of that will be 0, and on this side this will be on this side that this will be 0 degree, then other side that will be 180 degree. Now we will discuss which one is 0 and which one is 180 degree, and what are the reason behind this, and what is the important of all things. The distance between the longitudes. On the equator, 111 kilometer. On the equator, there is distance between the one longitude to another longitude. The distance between two longitudes On the equator 111 kilometer, but at the pole 0 kilometer. At the pole, all longitudes met on the pole. That means all longitudes met on the poles. All longitudes met on the pole. Here and here. As you can see, every longitudes run through the pole. Every longitudes run through the pole. So this one 0 degree divides Earth into two hemispheres. Eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And western hemisphere. Got it? Two hemispheres. In the eastern hemisphere 180 longitudes and the western hemisphere 180 longitudes. This one in the east side like 2, 3, 4, 5, how many? Like 90 degree E. 90 degree E. If here on this side 90 degree W. That's how it will show us. So you got the longitudes mostly, and north to south, north to south. Okay. Next, what is the work of longitudes on the earth? Why are these lines made? If we have to find out the time of any particular place, then we will see the longitudes. Longitude will help us. Longitude will help us to find out the time of any particular place. So longitude is the angular distance of a point on the surface of Earth measured in degree east or west from the prime meridian. The first thing, longitudes or longitude is the angular. What is the meaning of angular? This one. Here this is the angle. Making an angle, that is the angular. So angular word formed with angle. Angular distance. I mentioned you about the distance. Here on the pole, distance of a point, distance of a point on the surface, on the earth. Of the earth, sorry. Of the earth measured in degrees, and this will measured in degrees. West or east? West or east from the prime meridian. And from where it will measured? From the prime meridian. Remember this name. Prime meridian. Now what is the angle of measurement is formed at the center of the earth. Now angle from where it will measured? From the prime meridian. Means prime meridian is the center of the earth. Prime meridian is the center of the earth. As I showed you 0 degree. That is the prime meridian. प्राइम मेरिडियन क्या है? अब जैसे मेरिडियंस आपको बता दिए कि मेरिडियंस ये है, सारे लॉन्गिट्यूड्स है वही मेरिडियंस है। अब प्राइम मेरिडियन, रिमेंबर दिस नेम, 0 डिग्री आपको बताया था, दैट इज द प्राइम मेरिडियन। द प्राइम मेरिडियन इज द 0 degree longitude passing through Greenwich in England. Remember this one. The prime meridian is 0 degree longitude which is passing through Greenwich. Greenwich. Remember this name, Greenwich in England. Where it is? In England, where the British Royal Observatory is located. And where it is? Where the British Royal Observatory is located. Now, why the prime meridian is 0 degree is known as the prime meridian? Where it is? It is in Greenwich, England, country name. Now, in England, in the Greenwich British Royal Observatory. That's why. Now, you have heard it about GMT. Have you heard about GMT? GMT के बारे में कभी सुना आपने? GMT. When you show the time period or time anywhere, then if there is two type of time, then in that one time is showing by that green GMT. Greenwich mean time. Greenwich mean time. Okay, so that's the longitude or meridians. Now, as I shown you that this one GMT or prime meridian divides Earth into two parts, the eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, and the lines of longitude give us the vertical coordinates or the east-west location of a place. The vertical coordination, like this one, vertical from north to south. This one horizontal, this one vertical, and shows the place, particular place, like on which place which line longitudes run through that. So now characteristics of meridians. Now which characters the meridians have? Of meridians. How many characters meridians have? In that, the first one, lines of longitude run from the north pole to south pole in a north-south direction. As I already told you that lines of longitudes run from north pole to south pole, means north to south side. Lines of longitude run from north pole to south pole. Okay, north pole to south pole. means north to south direction. And then also they determine the east-west coordinates of place. They run from north to south, but then also they, however, they determine the east-west coordinates of a place. Coordinate of a place. See here, the lines of longitude run from north pole to south pole, from north to south, but then also they are determining the east-west coordinates. अब वो यहाँ पर रन तो ऐसे कर रहे हैं ऊपर से नीचे, नॉर्थ टू साउथ, बट फिर भी उसके साथ में वो ईस्ट वेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी बता रहे हैं. ईस्ट वेस्ट, ईस्ट में है या वेस्ट में है, दैट आल्सो. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द कंसेक्यूटिव मेरिडियंस डिक्रीजेस पोलवर्ड फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अबाउट द डिस्टेंस. द डिस्टेंस between longitudes or meridians, distance between longitudes decreases poleward from the equator. From the equator. अब यहाँ पर इसको ऐसे समझो कि जो डिस्टेंस है वो डिक्रीज हो रहा है. कहां पर डिक्रीज हो रहा है? इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज, इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज. कहां पर डिक्रीज हो रहा है? पोल पे. कहां से? इक्वेटर से. इक्वेटर पे ज्यादा होगा, पोल पे कम होगा. It decreases from a maximum of about 111 किलोमीटर एट द, अब यहाँ पर जैसे इसका डिस्टेंस हो ऑन इक्वेटर 111 किलोमीटर, ऑन पोल 0 किलोमीटर. All longitudes met at the pole. Okay. So this is the second character. Number 3, the meridians are numbered beginning from the prime meridian. The meridians are numbered beginning from the prime meridian. The meridians are numbered, all meridians are numbered, given number, beginning from the prime meridian. Prime meridian. Now the number beginning from the prime meridian. The prime meridian is 0 degree. Prime meridian is 0 degree. Prime meridian is 0 degree. Okay. Now 180 is the ideal. We will discuss what is the ideal. And 0 degree, prime meridian is 0 degree, and 180 is ideal. 180 is not in the east or not in the west, at the center of the earth. like 0 degree is at the center of the earth. तो इस और इसके बीच में 100 from 1 to 179 degree towards the east hemisphere, they will call eastern longitudes, and in the western south hemisphere they will call western longitudes. Note down all points in your notebook.